In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your server, enabling your users to access your website using your chosen domain name. To begin the process, the first thing you need to do is sign into your GoDaddy account. This is where all settings related to your domain name reside. After logging in, locate and navigate to your domain portfolio. If you are unfamiliar with the term domain portfolio, it is essentially where all your owned domains within your account are listed. Alternatively, you could also navigate directly to the DNS management page for the specific domain you wish to connect to your server. Once you are on your domain page, the next step involves identifying the name servers of your web host. These are typically located on your hosting provider's site. Name servers play a key role in connecting your domain to your server by linking the domain name with the server IP, thus allowing users to access your website via the domain name rather than the numerical IP address. To give you a general idea of what you're looking for, name servers usually follow a format like ns1.hostingcompany.com and ns2.hostingcompany.com. Having located the name servers, you should return to the DNS or name server settings on your GoDaddy account, where you will select the option to change name servers. Here, you should opt to use your own name servers rather than the ones outlined by GoDaddy. You will then be prompted to input the name servers that you obtained from your hosting provider. After entering the necessary name server information, make sure to save your changes. This is very crucial, or else the new settings won't take effect. Finally, after saving, it's important to remember that the changes may not reflect immediately, given that domain details propagation across the internet can take some time. Sometimes, it can take up to 48 hours for the updates to become effective across the entire internet, although in most cases, the changes are often updated faster. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way of connecting your GoDaddy domain to your server. Now, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for the changes to take effect. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Remember to keep checking in using your domain name to verify if your site is up and running. Happy hosting!